morning sun. Birds sing songs just for fun. They flap their wings and fly in pairs, chirping secrets through the air. Clap your hands like birdie wings, dancing dolphins. Splash, splash, splash in the ocean blue. Dolphins talk with clicks, it's true. They spin and leap, play hide and seek, using squeaks to speak unique. Play, splash. Up the dolls shake birdie wings. Roar, roar, roar. In the jungle wide, lions call their friends with pride. With their manes and mighty paws, they talk with growls and powerful claws. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop like lions, big and tall. Wiggle and giggle, jump up high. Animal friends are stopping by. Oh, talk like a lion. Roar, 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 roar. Chirp like a bird, more, more, more. Wiggle like a worm, low, low, low. Let's learn how animals say hello. Wiggle and giggle, jump up high. Animal friends are stopping by. Let's play a game. Can you talk like a monkey? Can you hop like a bunny? Hop, hop, hop. Can you hiss like a snake? Hiss so slow. Let's act like animals. Ready, go! Did you have fun with our animal friends? Roar if you did. Now don't forget to like this video, remember when you're animal-loving buddies, and subscribe for more fun songs every week.